Hey guys, my name is Andre and I'm the co-founder of getrugd. I'm just going to show you a little bit about our HydroCloak. So this is a new product that we've released and it's the perfect gear for outdoor camping, post surfing and any adventures that you go on in between. So these HydroCloaks are actually featured with a nice nylon outside. So the outer lining is waterproof and wind resistant and the inside lining is a 300 GSM Sherpa. We have 3 different pockets in the HydroCloak. One is your standard phone pocket that you can open up here and pop your phone in there. We also have a little headphone loop. I know a lot of people don't actually use wired headphones anymore, so what we do a lot of the time is we put our charger in here, have the cable running out, and then you can charge your phone while you're on the go. We also have a large inside pocket. It's all lined with fleece, so you can put delicates in there, like anything like a camera or anything that you don't want to scratch. And we also have a hidden pocket in there as well. So you can see that little zipper there. You can open that up and then there's another pocket where you can store things. I'm just going to zip that up here. It's got our round emblem logo on the sleeve, which is a nice little cool feature. It's all embroidered, really nice quality. And yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. We got 2 colors. We got the black one and we got the brown one. The brown one is lined with the beige inside Sherpa and the black one is lined with a grey inside Sherpa. It comes with an oversized hood, so at night when you're really cold, pop your hood on and you're nice and snug. I'm also going to show you, we got a double heavy duty YKK zipper. So you got that one here, you can zip that up. And the cool part is that this one here is actually a 2-way zipper. So I can zip it all the way up, but I can also open down the bottom here. So if you need a bit more leg room here to walk around but still want to be warm on your chest, you can do that, but you can also zip it all the way down. This is also designed to be a changing robe, for example, if you go post surfing. So what that means is you can get out the water, you're cold, you want to get changed, you want to get dressed. You can dry off with the Sherpa material. It's actually quick drying, so you can dry yourself off. You just have it in the sun or out in the wind for a little while and it dries off really quickly. So what you do is basically, just like your normal towel changing robe, get your arms in here, take them in, and then you can just get dressed. So I can basically pull my shorts down and put my board shorts on, anything like that, and I'm not flashing anyone outside, so that's really good. And then boom, hands back in. I'm also going to show you our 2 outside zippers and pockets. So again, heavy duty YKK zippers. These pockets are also lined with fleece, which is really nice. Keeps your hands nice and toasty when it's cold outside. This one actually comes with a little surf loop too. You've probably seen that on your board shorts. You can basically put your keys on there and you might be able to put your board keys in there or any board scratches, anything like that. So again, outdoor surfing, that's what you can use it for. Or, you know, when it's cold, you just throw it on and you don't really have to wear anything else underneath. So as you can see right now, I don't know, it's about 10 degrees right now. It looks really beautiful, but it's quite cold. I'm wearing my fleece here, but I'm wearing shorts just because this is so long, it covers half of my legs and I still feel quite warm even though I'm wearing shorts, which is really great. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Check it out on our website, getrugd.com, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.